Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Spoiler alert. There's nothing to spoil. You guys already saw the title. You guys saw the thumbnail. Oh my gosh. Tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow's the day we take possession of the new house. This is kind of weird to me because I haven't seen the house yet as I'm like filming, but you guys have probably already seen the thumbnail. I'm assuming that I'll do like a thumbnail there. I don't know yet, but I'm like nervous and excited, so I'm kind of rambling. But ladies and gents, last couple of videos I teased it that I had some big news, some moves that we're making. Here we are. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. I don't want to keep myself waiting. This is still all pretty surreal, which is kind of cool. I figured it's something that I want to share with you guys because not only is it like something that I'm doing, it is going to be part of the channel. The house does have a 2-car garage, so I'm planning already that we're going to be doing like remodel, kind of rebuild series with the garage. In the very early pre-planning stages, I haven't even seen the inside of the garage in person yet. You guys are gonna be with me when I see it for the first time, which is kind of crazy. So yes, I bought a house without seeing it. Popped up on Zillow, made an offer on it. The first time I'll see the house in person is tomorrow morning. So my car is packed to the brim with stuff. This is wild. You guys get the luxury of fast forwarding to tomorrow, but I have to wait all, I don't know, 16 hours or something. Probably longer than that until we see the house. So let's get it. 15 minutes away from the house. I fast forwarded to the next day, but obviously I'm not gonna like show the front of the house. Just privacy is still cool. It's a cool thing to have. But we're going to go right in the garage, experience that for the first time together. Because I guess I didn't go on the tour. Like I said, this is the first time I'm gonna see the house in 14 minutes. But I guess the previous owner left some stuff. He left, I guess, some like cabinets in the garage, which is definitely a good thing. But also there was like a bar of some sort and also like a grill or something. So I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out together. But I am just as excited as you guys are to see this for the first time. So I'll catch you there. I see it. Where should I park? Should I park in? Dude, that's my house. Oh, that's so sick. I'm gonna park in the driveway. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's see. The lip on the driveway is not too bad. We can make it in without scraping. So that's the first good step. All right. We got a little dip in the driveway, but we don't scrape. So that's golden. Ladies and gents, we have a garage. I gotta get this thing open. Light? Question mark? How do we get a light in this thing? Stand by. Oh my gosh, whoever had this garage. Ladies and gentlemen, just take a look at this. Look at the design. These are like, I'm gonna clean these. Oh my, they're like soft clothes. Oh, no way, dude. You can throw out some stuff. Gotta clean for sure. This might go. Look at this unit. This is like the same, like it's gotta be cleaned again, but like, what? It's storage. It's like cabinets. Look, a trash bin. Trash, and then, dude, there's a Lazy Susan in here. We got a Lazy Susan for detailing stuff. But like, this is probably a super expensive unit. I have no idea how long it's been here or who put it in here. Yeah. First order of business will be cleaning the garage. When do you think it goes? What is this stuff? What is this? And then, okay, so for lighting, we've got an outlet up here, which is good news. And then this is the only light in the garage, I believe, which is gonna be, I gotta call an electrician, man. That looks to be where something used to be. That's interesting. Okay. We got a dart in the wall. These are like pegboard. So obviously I think it's just like framing behind this, if I had to guess. So we could take this down and insulate it and drywall it if we really wanted to get spicy with this garage, which we absolutely could. This thing is huge, by the way. This unit is like an island, like a legit island. And this is, I think this is granite countertop. And it feels like sturdy. I have no idea like what this is. 18-inch barbecue grill, okay. I walked right past the smoker and then a grill as well. So as it stands right now, we could probably park a car here. There's just a little lip, like right here. Park the car like sideways. But this unit is gonna have to go for sure. This thing's gonna be heavy. So I know it's for sure just like a single dude who lived here before. All right, so got some work to do in the garage, but we can make it happen. Now that I'm thinking it too, we could, if both these outlets work, we could do like those Barino lights. Maybe run a couple like this way and like a couple here. I need a vacuum and I need a leaf blower and I need somebody to come take this from me. This thing is gigantic. This thing weighs probably 2,000 pounds. Oh, this will come in clutch because I want to repaint the inside of the house. Boom. Don't even have to go buy one. I think these shelves are the coolest thing. All right, so the garage is gonna be one project, but ladies and gents, this is yellow and I don't want it to be. So I ordered a bunch of paint stuff and we're gonna be painting this thing. Oh boy, we're gonna paint it light gray, I think. The owner left this like bar cart kind of unit, which is really cool. So we used that. I'm like, I got a whole crib. This is gonna be my office, which I'm super pumped about because it overlooks the backyard and the driveway. So we'll be able to see the cars out here. We got like, literally just step into the backyard. So that's pretty neat, but I'm gonna go to IKEA and get like a desk setup going. Also gonna be painting this room. Probably hang up the guitar license plates, just like make this room sick. A little 100,000 subscriber plaque here eventually. Still gotta unpack. I don't wanna like set up the room though with a desk and all that before I get the paint done because that's just gonna be a hassle. I'm painting later this week. Oh man, it's crazy. Literally just saw the house for the first time this morning and got most of the stuff in. Garage, that's gonna be a project, I tell you what. How exciting. We're sitting in the garage with one light. Y'all know me, it's not gonna be like this forever. Honestly, we have a blank slate to work with as far as the garage and like a garage build. So the lighting's not always gonna be like this. We're gonna get things up and running. This slab, I think I'm gonna sell. It's like a legit like granite countertop that somebody would use as like a, I don't know, anything you make granite countertops out of. It's kind of crazy to say and think, but like doing this right now definitely wouldn't be possible without like the YouTube channel and people supporting me and whatnot and this journey the last few years. So I didn't really tell a lot of people about the house. One thing I didn't really tell anyone is some of the sacrifices we had to make to make this happen. You may notice the S4 is not in the garage as it's now all closed up. That is because I'm trolling and it's actually right outside. I did not sell the S4, but that's gonna wrap up the video. I just wanted to thank you guys for a second. Now that we are like home, this will be the garage, the workshop from now on. Obviously gonna be updating some stuff, but here we are. Gotta start somewhere. At least we can call it ours. Thank you guys so much for everything. Subscribing to the channel, supporting stuff like this is surreal. Thank you guys. Till the next time, we'll see ya.